1 мая 25 года с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте. Сегодня 1 мая 25 года с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте. Пора катить. 1 мая 25 года с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте. Пора катить.
Shorty, take your time. Take your time, shorty, take your time. Yeah. No need to rush, embrace the grind. Your mom and dad want you to have your own style. To follow in another nigga's footsteps is wild. Your dad and mom want you to have your own mind. Mind your business, write your own book, we're all one of a kind. Excelling and winning, that's what dedication brings. Don't let them trick you out your education, king. Knowledge of self, it's an elevation thing. Boxed in, fighting your way up out the segregation ring. Half of these niggas tough out here going insane. Hood rats need the winter, the fall, summer, the spring. Your times have changed, so all you cans ain't nothing slick. So don't go taking medicine if you ain't sick. Sometimes you're judged off the company that you with. Information's a weapon, keep your brain a loaded clip. My generation got smacked when you overlipped. For fucking up, you got punishment or your ass whipped. We're culturally biased, it's time to break the tradition. Don't go pick on nobody because they're different. Don't go judging nobody over religion. Respect your elders, they are open book of wisdom. They don't take nothing to listen. Don't get caught up in the system. Dog, it's cool to read a book, there's so much more than television. Recognize who shows you real love, so you can tell who isn't. I was out there blinded like you, pardon my reminiscing. Coming up around here, you gotta be strong. The moment one dies, a baby's born. Don't rush to grow up, same time, don't take too long. One wrong move, it could be gone, nigga. Take your time, queen, take your time. It's nothing real as a flat line. Take your time, queen, take your time. A single parent beats an orphan, he can grow to make you proud. It's cause his father's full of it, don't take that shit out on your child. Regret is more than you can carry, I can vouch. The government helps you out long as the daddy's out the house. Don't put your dignity under nobody's wealth. Them niggas won't disrespect you, you learn to respect yourself. Why compare your situation to someone else? So many opinionated, how many of them gon' help? Don't let them nosy ass, unimportant, immature, insecure bitches in the space they never been before. Why would you care? They count you out, you never seen them score. It's never over, long as you can wake up, you can dream some more. Envy is one thing for sure, two things for certain. Your girls don't got no job and you're the one they working. Clouded their vision with addies, annies, and perks in. Soon as the camera is pointed at you, you're twerking. Coming up around here, you gotta be strong. The moment one dies, a baby's born. Don't rush to grow up, same time, don't take too long. One wrong move, it could be gone, nigga. Take your time, king, take your time. It's nothing real as a flat line. Take your time, king, take your time. Take your time. Part of a dad's responsibility is protection. Don't let the gangsters steer your kid the wrong direction. Take time to bond with him, necessary connection. He'll never have respect for someone that neglects him. You're comfortable being a deadbeat, you're a mess. Old as hell and still worried about getting fresh. is the biggest threat. What's next? Experimenting with liquor and cigarettes. Not being near when they need you's gotta be scary, see. Coming up with a father figure's a rarity. Open your mind, all you get is food for thought from me. He needs your presence, don't substitute time with money. Soon as he makes his own money, he won't have time. And you'll be spending yours trying to look for something you can't find. Coming up around here, you gotta be strong. The moment one dies, a baby's born. Don't rush to grow up, same time, don't take too long. One wrong move, it could be gone, nigga. Take your time, take your time. It's nothing real as a flat line. Take your time, take your time. No need to rush, embrace the grind.
Так что такое 1 мая 2025 года. Катнул с Ахиллом с ЭстоХребта. Очень круто. Определенно low speed compressional добавил один щелчок, и катить стало еще прикольнее, потому что жарко. В тени сейчас фактически 24 градуса. Лучше, конечно, это делать с утра, чем я обычно это занимаюсь, катаюсь с утра. Но надо было сегодня тоже катнуть, уже летняя жара.